You got to do your OMG We're Coming to the Fringe video.
On the website.
Oh my god.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, everybody.
Hello, Edinburgh.
Hello!
Hello there, Assembly Festival.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello, I'm Mr. Punchy from Paris.
This is Tom Ballard.
We are Boris and Sergey.
Hi, I'm moving Melvin Brown.
Hello. We're here for the Hello.
We're Baby Loves Candy.
Hi, we're Alice and Roxy. I think it's Roxy and Alice.
We're the Handlebards.
My name's Rich and this is Matt.
And my name is Matt, and we're the Listies.
Hi there.
Hello, this is Sarah J. Morris.
Antonio Fortune.
This is Motsky Mouse.
I'm Charles.
This is Marilyn Ricecoat.
Tough guys to Shakespeare.
This is your sexy, sophisticated, blind comedian Jamie.
I am Mrs. Roosevelt.
We are the Glasgow Girls.
I'm Ross Ledbetter.
Fish is Michael Fish speaking to you from the grave.
And we're coming to Edinburgh.
We're coming to Edinburgh.
Edinburgh, yeah!
We're absolutely pumped to be bringing the magic inside to Assembly Gardens.
OMG, we're coming to Edinburgh.
Guess what? I'm coming to Edinburgh.
We're super excited to be performing this August at Assembly for the Edinburgh Fringe.
I'm coming to Edinburgh.
We're your fucking men, boys. We're coming to George Square this summer.
This year, we are coming to the Edinburgh Fringe Festival.
And I'm coming to Edinburgh with a brand new show.
Coming to Edinburgh.
We're coming to Edinburgh.
We're coming to Edinburgh. So watch your back.
We are coming to
See you in Edinburgh.
And we are coming to the Edinburgh Festival 2016. See you at Assembly. Ding ding Bethel and Fernando going to Edinburgh. With your arms, with your arms, with your head, just move. 3 by 3 they came for. We get some. Sure.
We'll be performing at the Assembly Roxy.
There's the Opera House.
That's the Harbour Bridge, Matt.
I don't know.
You'll laugh, you'll cry, you'll poop your...
And what I'm looking forward to most is making love to all you beautiful women. No.
We are the Thunder from Down Under. No, we're not. We're not?
It's fantastic.
See you there.
Should they come and see Promise and Promiscuity in Edinburgh?
Choose Trainspotting at this year's Assembly Fest and join us in celebrating our 3rd consecutive Edinburgh Festival.
With our show Intents and Purposes. Tense. Get it?
Looking forward to seeing you soon, Edinburgh.
See you there.
Cheers.
Can't wait to see you, Edinburgh.
See you soon.
Come be with us.
Hi hi.
Yay! Fringe Festival. Bang! Glitter.
Ah.